Hello everyone, welcome to my channel to check out our shoes quality. Today I'll show this shoes for you, and if you like our video, you can give me some up or subscribe my channel. Okay, let's ask to show these shoes. First, let's ask to show introduce this shoes box. The first, you can see this is a Nike logo, and this one is Dunk SB. Yeah, you can see this picture. Strawberry half. This one is Dunk some SB and strawberry half, and this is the name SB Dunk High PL and QS. Yeah, okay, and this is the information about his size or others, and there have some Nike's words. Yeah, look at this one is a Nike logo, and the green, and this is a very Halloween. Okay, look at the back have some Nike's information. Can you see this? Now let's ask to take off it. Okay, look at this one. And there have the paper, and this one has the sticker. Yeah, can you see this sticker? Okay, let's ask to show my shoes, horseshoes. First, it has two extra laces, and look at the laces. It's different. Like others is the this one is like this. Okay, now his letter. The letter like the strawberries, the appearance of strawberry appearance. And the toy, the letter, the whole letter, the upper letter is strawberry, like strawberry, and he has spots in this, in the upper, and it's like the strawberry inside. This red hollow, like strawberry, the inside. And look at this one, the swoosh. The swoosh is this kind of material. It's not smooth and have some rough. Okay, look at the hair. This is very soft. It's like I don't know what the material, but it's very soft, and can you see the thick? Yeah, and look at the Tanger, the Nike logo, and the Dunk High PRO. Can you see this? And look at this Tanger. Have some words. Yeah. Now look at the side. Outside this have a strawberry, and the words is a half is halving now. The strawberry was halving. Can you see this? And look at the midsole. Also is use the translucent rubbers material, translucent, and you can look into this color is green and is red. Look at this. The middle is the Nike logo, and all is rubber. Yeah. Now look at this one. This one also have the strawberry half, and others is the same as this one. And the letter is like strawberry. This have the spot. Yeah, spot. Okay. Now let us look at the insole. They have some paper in this. His insole is very special. Let's ask to take off it. Okay, I can't take off, but I can look at close. Can you see this? They have some people in this. Maybe it's a strawberry, like this one. These two also have the strawberry on the insole. Yeah, I can take off it. So if you buy this one, you can look at the insole. If the insole is very special. Okay, look at the button. The button is the same. Okay, my introduce well over. If you like my video, you can through my website to purchase, or if you want to know or information about these shoes, you can contact me my Instagram. Let us to shoe. Okay, I will take off my information in the description. You can through there to find me. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, found it. It's my information. Can you see this?